ಯಾರು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರಾತ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
See, now I have done recording. Okay, so have you followed the steps how I did the recording? Yes, Dipti, have you followed the steps?
Sir, can you come again once?
Okay. Okay, let me delete this record. Okay, so I'm deleting this record. So first I will go to which transaction code? SHDB. You have to create a new recording. This is ZMM01.
MM01.
Start recording.
Start record.
So here basically I just hit enter. Okay, then I'll go basic data 1. And I'll give the description over here. Base unit of measurement, material group. Okay. Then I will save it. Okay. So this way I got clear. So basically this step, this recording part will be taken care by functional people. You no need to take headache. Okay. If they will give any task to create a upload BDC upload program. First thing you need to ask, give me a recording. Okay. Then we will frame the programming. Got it? So the recording is done. So here what I'll do, I will go back. Here I will choose this one and I will click on a program. Okay. So here I will do ZMM01 BDC. Okay. All transaction. So what I'll do, read from a recording. Here I will choose this radio button. Okay. Read from a recording. So here I will do all transaction. All transaction. Methods. Okay. Local object. So now this, like this, the program has been created. Okay, like this. So what you need to do, first thing is you need to create, you have to ask for a recording. Okay, so they will give recording, name of the recording. Then directly you have to select that recording, click on a program, and you have to select the radio button called transfer from a recording. Okay, then this program will be get created. Now as soon as this code has been generated by SAP itself, what you have to do now? This has been, so you have to go to this include. Okay. Here this is standard include, so you cannot change it, but you can display it. Okay, you can display. So go to end at last. Copy this to subroutines. Okay, copy this to subroutines. Okay. Then come here and paste it at the end. Here after this, paste it and okay, got it. Now after this, this include has no role. Just comment this. Okay, this is the no role. Now what happened? No, so first thing what you have to do, you have to input a, you have to take a file, right? You have to take a file. So what you have to do? Remove this. Better to remove this. Not required. So what happened now? Okay. So what are the steps you have to follow? First you have to declare. So how many fields we just uploaded? How many fields? We have to upload it. Material group. Then you have a KG, right? Description. So what will happen? No, I will go. I will create an Excel file. Okay. I will go. I will create an Excel file. Not Excel. So what is the first field? Go to the program. So the first field is
MATLAB.
no, it's not MATLAB. This is the first field, MBRSH. Okay.
No, sir. Above that, there is one more field.
Oh, this is different. I will explain. We didn't enter. We are just interested. What are the value we just entered? Okay.
Okay.
We just interested in that only. Okay. Metal has been created. We didn't enter the metal. Metal has been created after giving all the input. Okay. So here, impact. Then what is the next thing? MAKTX. It's called MAKTX. Then this is the MEINS. And last one is the MLT care. MLT care. Okay. So what is the value here? Just one HRM. Okay, this is copy this one. So one. What is the material description I can have? Stress material. Then this should be AZ. Material group is 001. Triple 01. So 0001. Okay. Then keep on copying this one. What you have to do now? You have to change this format. Okay. So somewhere format cell is there. Okay. So I copy this. Test. So like this, at a time I can upload many record. Okay. So here I can give a one, two, three, 4. Okay. So like this, I just so let me color this so that you can identify this is the header. Okay. So this is my heading data and this is my item. Okay. That means this is for header purposes. These are the record which I want to upload to my SAP system. Okay. Got it? Now, how many record will be created here? Can you tell me? How many record will be created? Yes, totally. How many material will be get created? Yes. Hello.
5 materials.
5 materials will be get created. Okay. So what is the step? So this is Excel you just created. Okay. Now what will happen? I just copy and paste this. The first thing is I will create a type declaration. Okay.
Types big bang.
Like this, you create it in type declaration. Okay, save it. Then what will happen? I will declare a data statement IT final type standard table of TY final. Okay. Then you have a work area. Okay. Now apart from that, you have to declare other types also. So here you have to declare a IT BDC data type standard table of BDC data. Then you have a work area also. Type BDC data. Then you have IT MSG type standard table of BDC MSG all. Then you have a MSG type MSG all. That's it. Okay. Then give it this. What's the error here? Okay, there are other errors are coming. Okay. Fine. Now I will take a file name. So here I have to take a selection screen. Block B1. So there is a function module, okay. So if you go to C37, so this is the function module name, okay. So I have to take a type of file this. So for time being, let me comment all this, okay. Let me come up with the basic things. Let me comment all this first. So this basically utilized to take the input file. So here, okay, what is the event that will take basically file name? Yes. How I can give F4 help to this? What is the event?
Selection screen on value.
Selection screen on help request. Yes, Shiva, what is that event?
F4 or F1, sir?
Yeah, F4. I'm asking you.
Value request.
Value request. I think he is there online. Shiva, you are there?
Yes, sir. He is there.
Hello. Here in pattern, I will go and I will call that function module. What is the function module? KD. So here I have to just comment this to this way. File name is c underscore file. And here so if I execute this now, I will get a Yes, got it. So I can take that file from this path. And let me change this description. Text element. So here, what are the file paths? Okay, that's good. So now, what will happen? Now this is done. Now the next thing what we'll need to do now. So just comment this portion. Okay. So now what happened? You have to take a get data. Okay. So to get a data from the file. Okay. Now how will you get a data? This is a function module. Okay. Let me convert to Excel. No, not this one. So name of the function module name. Which is the function module? Text convert to Excel. Go here. Just copy this. So here, what do you do now? Go to inside the function module. Here I have to take import as this one. This is a table type. I have to declare a table type for this. So once I go here, IT raw, plus file under.
Sir, IT raw is an internal table or a variable, sir?
It's an internal table because can you see here? This is a table type. Cross T here, T underscore. In SAP, wherever you find underscore T, this is a table type. Okay. Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is a
Yes, sir.
table type. This is not an internal structure. Here I declare IT underscore. Now let me put a breakpoint here. Let me see whether I am getting all the 5 record or not. Okay. So just let me know. What is this file? That material upload, right? So it's upload. So can you see automatically it's growing, going to that. Now it's asking for permission. Okay, allowed. But it's open. So while uploading, no, you should close that Excel. Okay. Here. So I'm getting all the. This is header. Okay. So this data will not be taken. If you mark as X here, can you see? You have to mark as a IT line header equal to X. That means the header is there. Okay. The header is there. So go to the program. What is it? Change. Save the program. Here you have to uncomment this one. What is it? X. Okay. So here. So taking some time. So here. So program is happening with this. I mean, internet is there or not? Stop this. is the problem happening. Always, whenever Excel will come, no, this is the problem will happen. Why this is happening? Do you have any idea?
So previously it got access now, so we got 6 data in an internal table.
Yeah, but after that, what happens? I don't know. Don't know what is it. You guys taken any other server? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir, we are practicing our officer.
Sandbox only.
We think to ask you, sir, about
Yeah.
another server, anything.
But server will.
Because it is very difficult to practice and delete those again and again.
No, but
Once we
server, I think
practice
you
and
will
we
be
are
preparing from
deleting.
your side, no? Server, at the beginning also I told that you will be preparing the server, right?
No, so you told that you will check with
No, this is the server. Yes, this is the server I'm getting problem. Actually, this is another batch server, okay? Anyway, in this is prepared by bring got by student only. I do not provide the servers.
Okay.
So basically, if the server is in problem, I don't know what to do. Very much. I don't know how to close it actually. Nothing is responding. Yeah, now close the right. Yeah, everything now closed. So here, what is the program? Let me execute this. So now can you see here? Now it is taking 5 record. Okay, got it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now it
You
is taking,
mentioned that it will skip the first record. No?
yeah, it will skip the first record. It will just once you mark that as X, automatically it will skip from there. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
So now what will happen? Now next thing, this file. So bringing the file into SAP, it is done. Now next thing is you have to upload the file. So what is you? You have to write a perform upload. Okay. So inside this, what do you need to do? No, you need to take all this information, this recording from here to up to last, copy and place inside that. Okay. What I'll do, I will upload, I'll put it inside this, and I'll uncomment this. Okay, I'll uncomment this. Got it. Now here, what I'll do, I'll put loop, I'll loop it IT final, loop it IT final. So work area. Okay. And here, instead of this one, what I'll do, I'll just copy this portion. RSH. Okay. And this is
So two double quotes is there after that dot.
no, that is for comment.
Quotations. Quotations. Okay, okay.
Comment. I want to comment that. Okay. I want to pass the data from the internal table, not from this default one.
Okay.
So here, Okay, like this, and here at the end you have to use and loop. Okay, got it. And at the end you have to clear that also. Every time you loop it, you have to clear the worksheet. And apart from that, what do you need to do now? Then last thing is here. These two portions you need to bring at the end. Okay, these two portions you have to bring at the end. Just it on comment this. Okay. So here you have to take a area. Instead of direct left hand, what you have to write? Area to IT underscore BDC data. Here also. Okay, got it. Just comment this. Syntax check. Okay. Everything is okay. Okay. Now the next thing is here you are getting that messages, right? So just let me remove this. Now the whole program has been ready. At the end, what you have to write? No, you have to write that syntax. Okay. What is that syntax? The syntax is all transaction What is the syntax? All transaction using IT BDC data.